Hello friends, welcome back on Knowledge Hub. I am back again with another useful video on Power BI. This time I am going to focus on design part of it. I hope you're going to like it and this video is going to be useful for you. So friends, very often you may come across your user who is very picky, Sometimes they are very particular about the layout and alignment and all. For instance, if you look at this table, everything seems fine, but if you look at this table headers, right, they are not aligned vertically. Sometimes you face a user who is cribbing about this alignment and all, and unfortunately there is no way in the Power BI out of the box where you can go and simply say left align, right, top align, bottom align, or central align, like in case of horizontally aligned, like left, right, and center. For example, if you go here in the column headers, you'll find this left, center, and right alignment. But so here what we can do here, we can do some customization, some workaround to fit the to fulfill the requirement. So here I'm going to show you how can you tweak little bit this table design in order to mimic this column header is centrally aligned. So simply I'm going to just duplicate this table so we have something here, and what I'm going to do here is I will simply change the text color to background color and remove same. So now we cannot see now the header is not visible for the users. And similarly, I'm going to remove this with the white spaces, the column name with the white spaces. But anyway, if you hover your mouse, you can see the actual name of the column, right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to use the text boxes for the column header, and you can choose the font as per your requirement. Here you have to select the entire text and choose the font as per requirement, font size and all, everything as per your requirement. And one more thing, you need to little bit format this text box. Like I'm going to turn off this header icon, and more I'm going to, it is already background is off, so need not to do anything here. Simply I will go and place this here, and here I can do alignment as per my choice, as per my requirement. For example, for time being I'm going to put it here in the center alignment. I will insert one more text box for another. Header. Now again I'm going to do some formatting here. For example, style, I'll choose the color which the icons. Effect, I don't need any effect. Now looks like I'm okay. Now we need to format little bit here to maintain the layer option. So I'm going to turn this off, maintain the layer order, and I'm going to send this shape towards backward. And to do that, just choose this item, then go back to format in the format you'll find send to back. Now we need to little bit adjust our table. I need to do some formatting of the table as well, so let's go here. Column, we don't need anything. Total, we don't need anything. Column specific is fine, looks okay. Just remove this to lighter one. This is minimum. I think it will not go less than 8, so let's make it 8. Make sure we have turned on this layer, maintain layer order for each and every element. So this is table. We are going to send this table to backwards. Format, send to back, and then bring it to the forward, and these two elements, bring them to the front. This one also, bring them to front. Now I'm placing these items manually. You can go and always use a property box to place them in the correct size, to make the correct size and position them properly. So this is what, guys, this is what I wanted to show it. I hope you like this trick. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. If possible, share with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.